high, this old Ford rolls along. As miles pass by, stereo plays our songs, and we sing along. New destination ahead, highway sing our song. Vagamon Hills on our list, 3 days to explore. Adventure parks along the way, fun rides hard to ignore. Glass Bridge was a dare, we walk hand in hand. Zip line over the greens makes our day, though unplanned. Hello there, Vagamon, rolling hills all along. Tea leaves dance to the mountain song. Off-road trails, Google Map gone wrong. In Vagamon's embrace, we'll find our way. Road trip dreams in the light of the day. A room with a view, hail Vagamon, where we stayed 3 days. Valley views and peaks afar, pretty cool place to stay. Tea gardens adorn the rolling hills, carpet of green so pretty. Circles and lines, green and brown, time to drink some tea. Jeep safaris, that's what it's called, a drive to high viewpoints. Troves of jeeps race to the top, disturbing serene hills. An archipelago slowly unveils nature's beauty to adore. Soaking in the awesome views, what more can we ask for? Hello there, Vagamon, rolling hills all along. Tea leaves dance to the mountain song. Off-road trails, Google Map gone wrong. In Vagamon's embrace, we'll find our way. Road trip dreams in the light of the day. A hanging bridge that we see, a nice place to be, where couples come for wedding shoots, end up with a selfie. 3 days pass by in no time at all, we get ready to depart. So until our next road trip, wish you well with all our heart.